Hey, I'm Chris with AffordableMedicalUSA.com. This is the Pride Go Chair, and I'm going to show you how to unbox it. This is what it's going to look like when it comes in. Get some scissors and just go ahead and cut these straps off. It shows you on the box how to do it, and I'm going to show you on a video. Take this off to the side. This is your manual. In your manual, you have your serial number, zip ties, and the little tool to use to put it all together. It doesn't take long. Just start taking stuff out. Right here is going to be your shroud pack. This one's in pink. Your charger, your joystick. This is the seat post. These are your arm. Now, when you take the armrest off, be careful because this will come off. So don't let that hit your foot. So just make sure you do that. You'll learn the hard way if you don't. Take your seat out or pull the box straight up. Everything just comes right out. Take the seat off, put the seat to the side. We'll do that later. So what I do, first thing you need to do when you first get it, it's harder to pull up once it's connected. They have little blockers. Put this on the charger ASAP. You're gonna plug your charger right into this port. You can charge this scooter or power chair through here or through the power chair when it's fully put together. But you want this to charge overnight. So don't use it today, please. Put it on the charger, let it fully charge overnight. And then here is the Go Chair. It's gonna be like this with no shrouds on it. And this thing does disassemble. So it's something that is great for indoors and it's great to go to the stores. It disassembles right here. So pretty light. And you put it back together. So let's just start putting this together. This is your freewheel. So we're gonna put it in freewheel. You can roll it around. You'll make sure you put that back in drive when you get done. So first things first, I'll go ahead and put the seat on because I'm gonna put the battery on the charger. Nope, can't put the seat on without the seat post. Go ahead and take all this stuff off. You have an option of different seat heights. It's really easy to do. Usually I put all this up in trash, but you take this and you're gonna put this down this way. You're gonna put the seat on. This has a little storage, so just when they come off, just like so. Put the arms on. Can't put these in wrong. There's a pin you pull out. Put this on back here. Tighten it up. Repeat the process on the other side. Like so. Pull the pin out. And back in. Tighten it up. Now these can extend in and out how you want to. Make it wider. You put this right on. And then you're going to put the other one right on. And then just one thing you need to be aware of. When you do this, if you tighten this up, this won't come up. So you want to make sure this is up a little bit, and then you can tighten it. And you can bring this up higher or lower, but if you get too low, this won't fold up. You have an option of putting the joystick on either side, right or left. It's your choice. If you're right-handed, left-handed. This is the cord. Just gonna drop that right down into here, or you can put it on this side. And then once you decide what side you need it on, if you're right-handed or left-handed, you're gonna tighten it up. And it comes with a tool. I just have my own tool. And you can fix it if you need to correct it a little bit. And then you can run this wire, and it comes with a zip ties that you can zip tie how you like it in a little bit, and it just connects down here. There's a connection. You just connect it down to the little connector. I'll find that in a minute. Pink shrouds. This doesn't take that long. Remember, your battery pack will be down here. So you just put that battery pack right in after you get charged up. Take all this. They package this stuff so good, you just gotta take it all off. And when you put these on, don't let these scare you a little bit. They just pop right in. You're gonna go forward and then bring it back, snap it right in. You're gonna go forward and just pop it right in. Take all this rest of these packages out. And you can see where it goes. Done. And done. So then the battery pack will also have pink shrouds on it. I'll show you that real quick. Again, you can't do it wrong, but you could, but I don't think you can. And then the same thing over here. So this is what it looks like completely put together. Battery pack will be under there. You got a swivel seat right here. You can also charge it through here with the charger. And the charger, real quick, looks like this, guys. A little 2-amp charger. This will plug right into here. Plug this into the wall. And this can plug into your joystick, or separate from the power chair into this charging station down here. That's the Pride GoGo Power Chair. AffordableMedicalUSA.com. Thank you.